speak well, but you are speaking of enterprise value, right? I don't know, right, where you have encountered this. The value that you believe the company has is known as enterprise value. I'm talking of net present value. There were some colleagues who said किया है अभी वो लोग कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे अरे आप लोग तो दिया जो सिंसियर चांस से दे रहे राइट वो बोलते ना सर चुन चुन के मैं ले रहा हूँ करके जानबूझ के कर रहा हूँ नहीं मनोज साहब को नहीं पूछूंगा करुणा No, I have noticed this. ये 9 बजे के बाद सडनली एक्टिव है मैम राइट ये वही सोच रहा था हाँ बोले बोले हाँ इट्स अ सिग्नल फॉर मी अच्छा इंडिया में चैटिंग बंद होता है उसके लिए ओके करुणा वन सेक योर कलीग्स हैव गॉट अ वेरी गुड इंप्रेशन अबाउट यू हाँ कहने में हाँ आप मेरे को बताइए ना व्हाट इज नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू नहीं मैं आई वॉक टिल देयर देन आई रियलाइज आई एम डिस्टर्बिंग सर्टेन कलीग्स सो मैं उसके लिए मैं नीचे आ गया आप बोलिए जाने दीजिए ओके आप बताइए मैम व्हाट इज नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू हाँ करंट वैल्यू Did you realize one thing, friends? I should. एक मिनट सुनो. You guys are already MBAs. देखो ना नहीं आता है तो भी you start. Okay, it's a different matter. You're not losing it. Okay, and if थोड़ा भी आपको आइडिया आता था कि सामने वाले को नहीं मालूम है तो आप एकदम बोल देते थे कॉन्फिडेंटली. नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू मैं उधर बोला तो बोला क्या है. हाँ सर अभी बोले मैं पूछा आपको ही था पहले. हाँ बोलिए ना. This is just a small refresher. किया हुआ है. But I am not holding it against anybody because एक छोटा revision is always in place.
Net present value is a valuation exercise.
हाँ.
Wherein future inflows,
हाँ.
future inflows that is in terms of time,
हाँ.
are calculated and discounting. The opposite of compounding is used to calculate the value present time and then ascertain whether the project is a viable, profitable or whatever.
Okay. Right. You made sense to me because I know the concept. I just thought it could be made in a simpler. Why do you need to take, sir you speak well, but I just want it to be in a simpler language. Why do you need the present value? Because you have to take decision now, today. Okay, fine. Huh? The future returns are always? It's an estimate. Okay. All of you speak well, but for me, perfect, thank you. For me, it is about converting to a common base. Excuse me, I'm only putting it in a different, simple language. Discounting, compounding, net present value. I got the answer out, but I like to revisit it. Discounting, he said it, is the reverse of compounding. A small recap, in case you have forgotten. I need this for tomorrow's session, please. Is the reverse of compounding. Sir, these are the basics. You should be aware of this. For example, A upon 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N is P. This P is nothing but the present value. You need to take decisions now, today. Okay. What really happens in projects is you invest an amount now. You get a stream of benefits. That's capital budgeting for you. You get a stream of future benefits. Let's talk about a simple two-case investments. Real estate. Why do people invest in real estate? Where is my colleague Verghese? Why do people invest in real estate? Achha, why? He builds houses, na sir. We invest. आपको ही पूछा मैं. Why do people invest in real estate? What's the idea? Appreciation. But is that one part of the story? Or? Okay, ठीक है, बोलिए. हाँ, capital is guaranteed. Real estate. Now you know why I was not asking her. Okay, right? I knew you were going to sell it to me. एक काम करो. In terms of simple finance. हाँ. हाँ. सर एक मिनट सर, ये मेरा कोर्स और किधर लेके जा रहे हैं आप, रुको ना. राइट, व्हाई डू पीपल इन्वेस्ट इन, मैंने एक्चुअली दैट्स व्हाई आई डिडंट वांट टू गिव इट, इट्स अभी सेलिंग. चलो संतोष सर, व्हाई डू यू इन्वेस्ट इन, नहीं यू मेक पॉइंट, यू मेड अ पॉइंट, ओके. बट फिर भी व्हाई डू, what is that return?
will be higher than
What is that return? I have picked up a property. What is that return? Rentals. Sir, I wanted this to come from you all. Rentals. And then finally I will sell it at a profit. Rentals.
That's what
Stream.
I think, right? What if you recover in 10 years? Rent में चढ़ाओगे कम rent rent बोला नहीं था लेकिन I didn't mean selling.
मैंने कहाँ बोला आप गलत बोल रहे हो, right? Right? नहीं, you are absolutely right. आपने जो भी बोला, right? Right? रियल एस्टेट के बारे में बात मत करो. These guys are very sensitive nowadays. चलो, let's come back. Okay. Why do you invest in stocks? One, okay, jokes apart, rental, then I will sell it at a profit. Okay, one. Why do you, sir, anything, you watch this. Why do you, sir, why do you invest in